of the grand prize today. The winner will be taking home a 1-month paid contract with the Kani Pila Grille, which includes 4 performances within a month in 2026. In addition, the winning artist or band will receive a personalized social media marketing package featuring an electronic press kit and promotional audio and video clips recorded at the Honolulu Community College's Mike Curb Mele Studios. And they will be crowned this year's 18th annual Kani Pila Grille Talent Search. All right, do we have everybody up on stage? Again, if you guys can, please, another big round of applause for all of our judges. Bobby Modero Jr., Kavika Kahiapo, Eric Lagrimas, and Milton Lau. All right. And one more time, please, a big round of applause for all of our contestants this year. Moon Kahele, Olau Niu, and Makana RC. And while you guys clapping, please, another big round of applause for the Outrigger Resorts and Hotels, supporting and perpetuating Hawaiian music. With that said, we turn it over to Auntie Luana. Auntie Luana, you announce our winner? All right, I guess with no further ado, here we go.
First, I want to thank everybody just for loving Hawaiian music. You don't know where to go for Hawaiian music, please come to the Outrigger Reef Waikīkī Beach Resort, to the Kani Pila Grille. Hawaiian music is played there 7 nights a week from 6 to 9 p.m. And one of these lucky groups here, musicians here, are going to have that opportunity to do so and hopefully grow in their music and in sharing Hawaiian music to the world. But they are all winners. And I'm going to try to get all of them to at least play on stage at least once, and as well as the winner for a month. So I'd like to thank the judges as well who's been with me, like Kavika. He was my first judge 18 years ago when we did it at City Hall. And it was a Hawaiian music festival there. And it took so well that we ended up doing it in several different places. And have been here for the past few years. So we're so fortunate to be able to be here at the Hawaii Convention Center and with all of these wonderful artists. So today, for our 18th annual Kani Pila Talent Search, our winner is Olau Niu. So I'm going to hand them their contract to sign already. But we still have Ricky Kamai, who's going to complete the year. We'll work on their schedule because one of them lives in Japan. So we're going to work with him. The next time he's on island, have them come and perform for us at Kani Pila. We'll let everybody know, okay? Thank you, mahalo, God bless, drive safely.
Auntie Luana, isn't it tradition that the winning group or artists get to hanaho and perform a couple more songs for us here at the Made in Hawaii Festival? One more time, please, a big round of applause to all of our contestants and our winners of the 18th annual Kani Pila Grille Talent Search, Olau Niu.